What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you some real nigga advice. Yeah? And the first one and most important, I think, is stop caring about people, bro. When you think about it, how long you going to care about people for? Until you're 80? You're going to be 80 years old and still caring about people and what they think. And still making your decisions based on what somebody will think about you. And if they're going to judge you or not. You have to get rid of that type of mentality. Don't care about people no more, bro. Alright? So that's number one. Stop caring about people. Number two, take action in your life. This life is your life. If you don't take action, nobody's gonna ever take action for you. Nobody's gonna do it for you. You have to do it for yourself. So take action in your life. Take action. I would recommend even start going to the gym. Me going to the gym, it does something to my mind. Like, even though you're in pain, you feel like you can't go no more, you have to keep going. You have to keep going because your trainer tells you that you need to do 20 reps. You can't do 15. You're going to have to start over and do the 20 all over again. So, take action in your life. And if you need help taking action, start going to the gym. It's a good thing to train your mind. Yeah, so take action in your life. Number one, stop caring about people and what they think. Number two, take action. If you have a dream, you reach out for it. Number three, set dreams, have goals in life. You know, write down your goals in life, and each morning you wake up, you read them. And every night before you go to sleep, you read your goals, like you review them. Like, all right, what do I have to achieve today? You look at it, what do I have to, you know what I mean? For me, I set annual goals for myself. And I read them twice per day before I go to my bed and as soon as I wake up. And it helps me to achieve my goals, because like, even if you don't have any direction today, reading your goals, you know, all right, so this is what I want to achieve for this year. What am I doing today to get me closer to achieving my goals? You know? So that's number three, set goals. Number four, avoid toxic friends. You know, and sometimes even some well-meaning people can be toxic to your life. Yeah, I have friends that are like, you know, they want to do this in their life. Like, they just want to do this. This is what they want to do, and I don't want to do this. That's gonna drain me. That's gonna drain you. Separate yourself from people like that. Know when to like give and take. Yeah, separate yourself from people that drain you in life. And it's easy. You know, you might think it's hard if you have like a sister or a brother or a close family member that's like that. You might think it's hard, but it's easy. You have to just block them out, give them space, you know. Yeah, and so yeah, that's that. So next advice I'd give you is do something spiritual, even if it's reading a psalms every morning when you wake up. For me, I meditate. Yeah, I do, like, they have all different type of meditations. You can go on YouTube and research which one, and it calms down your mind. You know what I mean? It allows you to view things. View like your current circumstances is not really. It's just all in your mind. Because life is, how we experience life is mental. It's like 99% mental. Yeah. I know you because mentally I remember all the memories that we have together. You know, that's why I know you and have a special connection with you. Right? People I don't know is because I don't meet them and I don't have a connection with them. You know? So when you look into things, everything is mental. If you wake up today and say, all right, I'm not gonna go right today, because there are those type of people. When if I take the right turn, those type of people, I'm gonna go left. When you go left, you're gonna have a whole bunch of different experiences. You know, so just know that life is 100%, like 99% mental. It's in your mind. Everything. It's in your mind. Or you can overcome anything and all all of that. Know what I mean? Yeah. Another advice I would give you, don't take advice. You don't need advice. Know what I mean? You don't need advice. When you think about it, everything you need is already inside you. Ask yourself a question, any question right now. If you put it in your mind, you're gonna get an answer. You're gonna get a few answers. It's just up to you to choose which one you think is best. Don't take no advice. Don't let nobody tell you how to spend your money. It's your money. You know? Put yourself first. Very important. Put yourself first. Life is a journey about you. You are the main character in your life. You put yourself first. You can't go wrong if you put yourself first. So put yourself first and experience your life the way you want to experience it. It's okay to be selfish. It's really okay to be selfish. I know people saying, oh, being selfish is bad. It's okay to be selfish. I wish I was being selfish a while ago. A lot of the situations that I got in, I wouldn't have gotten myself in those situations if I was being selfish. Also because I was considering others. You know? So be selfish. Put yourself first. You are the main character in your life. And other advice is just like, have fun, enjoy your life. Don't put yourself in any unnecessary burden. Don't put any unnecessary burden on yourself. Take care of your body. Make sure you're eating healthy. Smile more. You know what I mean? Yeah, smile. Feel good inside. Have love inside for others. Like buy a plant or something, water it. Don't give back to people. Feels good when the more love you put out, the more love that's out there to come back to you. You understand what I'm saying? So like put love out. Put love out there. The reason why I'm giving advice, one of my mentors, because like when you're up to great things in life, you need mentors. You need people to teach you certain things that you don't know. Or maybe you want to learn on your own. If you want to learn on your own, it's going to take way longer. I would recommend you just get somebody to teach you what they already know and what they already learned. For me, I have a lot of mentors in life. Yeah, a few of them, actually. Because I'm up to great things. When you're up to great things, you're going to need mentors. So, recommendation to you is to get a mentor. Get somebody that you look up to teach you something. Anything. Just teach you something. I say, don't take what them say as gospel, Use your common sense, your capital senses to, do the right thing, to pencil it out and see what's the right thing. Because again, you don't really need advice. Everything that you need is already inside you. It's already inside you. But sometimes we need to have conversations with others, with like-minded people. So you just, the more you bounce around ideas with each other, more ideas are formed from that reasoning. That is in the book, Think and Grow Rich. And that's another thing. I recommend you download the Think and Grow Rich thing. It kind of changed your mindset. Before I had this recording, I was just out here slinging it everywhere, But then I start reading the book and and they say having one woman, you can get rich. And it makes sense. Makes a whole lot of sense. Of one woman, you focus. You get me? I say, say, for example, if you're a woman that then here and pre no pussy until you're a woman then here. You see me? So you focus. Keep your focus. You have one people that talk like have a bugger girl, bro. Like the bugger girl thing, headache, cost you. You're all over the place. You're gonna watch for some pussy. You're gonna Portland for some pussy. You're gonna it's a rolling stone, bro. In a second midfield. So you can't create no real pass. You're wild in the middle, dog. You see me? You're not in control, you're not look. As you're all over the place, you play like wild forward. that type of ball game I play. You know? So you have to secure down in our midfield, get a one woman and everything good. You're mentally, you're firm, isn't it? Your energy. Because we are spiritual creatures, you know, in human form. Yes, so when the body dies, the spirit leaves the body. You know what I mean? When the body dies, so we are not really this body. We're not even this mind. Really. You know? But that's a different topic for a different day. But what I'm saying is, yeah, do the right thing. Get the book. Read more. Yeah, that helped me a lot too. Even though the books that I read are some weird books, but read more. Somebody with sense teach you something, bro. You can't just there, so and say, oh, I mean, I want that. But this, you know. And very with some local waste mates people. You're not gonna really go nowhere in your life if that's what you're up to. No matter how much money you have. Like, you can have $10 million and an next man have $100,000. And because he is doing the right things, like reading and having a mentor and not being around toxic people and all of that, him with his $100,000 has a brighter future than you. Him is going somewhere in life, you know, and you might not go nowhere in life because the type of people you have around you and the things if you don't have the right things. You know what I mean? So you want to get these right things in your life, and you want to know that life isn't a competition. Also, life is you versus you. It's, at least for me, my life is me versus me every single day when I wake up. I'm trying to be better than yesterday. I'm trying to be better than last year. And whenever since I start doing that, I'm better than I was last year. Last year I bought only one designer shoes. This year I can buy 4 designer shoes. You know, and then an Air Force and an Adidas shoes, different. So 6, like I got a whole lot of shoes this year. You know, last year I bought a few colognes. I can buy more now. So I'm getting better. You know, I know maybe I have some other niggas that they're buying 20 designer shoes, but like it's not me versus them. That's not how I judge my life. So stop comparing your life to another man. Your journey is your journey. You never know where you might end up in your journey. So don't feel no ways for the next man win. Your journey is your journey. Just focus on your journey and all will end up, everything will turn out perfectly. As it's working for me, having like, I remember when I had nothing, like a few years ago. I was dead broke and I had nothing, bro. Couldn't even do my hair, couldn't even pay my internet bill for like about 4,500 a month. Couldn't, bro. And the only thing that kept me going was my dreams. I had big dreams, bro. I used to smile when I think about my big dreams. Yeah, and I keep a positive energy and all of that. And I got the opportunity to move from Mobile. And when I moved from Mobile, things change. You know? So, and this is another thing I want to tell you. The world is big. It's a big world out there. It's bigger than, like, I know most of my viewers right now are Mobile, from Mobile. It's bigger than Mobile, bro. It's bigger than the corner where they're on. Bigger than the lane, bigger than the man where they're on, bro. It's a big world out here. The world is bigger than Jamaica. You see me? The world bigger than like this side of the world. The world bigger than the Caribbean, bro. Bigger than America. The world is a big world, bro. A lot of people out there for you to meet and a lot of other things. And I'm looking forward to those things. And I want you to look forward to things like that too. Knowing that this man right here, so him can't stop it. No matter how him feel like, say, yo, we want to come code on your thing and can't stop it, bro. You can stop you. Only you can stop you because more people out there for you to meet. I know sometimes lessons that I learned, even this year, it too, is that no matter how rich a man is and no matter how up him thing is, you don't need nobody. Only thing you need is yourself and just willing to take action. You know? And separate yourself from toxic, draining people. Not necessarily toxic. Some people could be well-meaning. Like you could have a good girlfriend, you know. But every time she'll link you. She's texting you, telling you got another girl, all that. She'll drain you, bro. She a drain it, have not a girl, a good girl, her thing good and everything, you know, she a cook and she a clean, she take care of everything, but every time, bro, she come around, she accuse you of having another girl and all of that. It's a drain the energy and you have to let her go, bro. You see me? Get another girl and I'm gonna accuse her, even if she can't cook. You see what I'm saying? Because like energy is important. Yeah, you can probably go buy some food. You can probably pay somebody to clean your house, but if a girl a drain energy, bro, you have to let her go. You can't hold on for her. She go on, you see me? Yeah. So, yeah. Them things are that. Like, yeah, I want to make vlogs, but I don't got anybody to be in my vlogs. I want to do like smash and pass videos. I want girls to be in my videos to wear my outfits, but I can't seem to find any girl to do that. So, until then, be safe. Look out for more videos coming soon, okay? I love every time. Nothing but love every time. Like, comment, subscribe. We're out here. Alright, so I was watching the video and I realized that I missed out one very important advice that I'd give to everybody. Bro, you need to respect yourself. You know, if you don't have self-respect, nobody is gonna ever respect you. Alright, so develop self-respect. Don't be afraid to tell a person to fuck off. You know, for a long while in my life, bro, I used to take disrespect. You know, I used to take disrespect from these girls. You know, bro, don't be afraid to tell her how to go kick rocks. You know, there are many hoes out here, bro. Many beautiful young ladies. You know, and don't be afraid to tell a girl to fuck off. That. I know, as a man, I have to use girls as an example because, you know, as a man, the buff is very important. You know, as to where I am concerned, the buff is a very serious issue. You know what I mean? So, yeah. I never used to respect myself in the past with girls that I dealt with, and because of that, it cost me big time. You know, make me look like a real little boy. And really and truly, bro, those hoes had nothing on me, bro. I could do way better. I was settling for less, to be honest. In the first place, I was settling for less. And then when I was settling for less, I never respected myself, so I was being disrespected. Yeah, so you want to respect yourself. Major. Very important that you respect yourself, bro. If you don't respect yourself, nobody's going to respect you. You're going to allow a lot of disrespect. Don't be afraid to say no. Don't be a nice guy. What you be nice for, bro? Why you have to say yes all the time? Why you have to do this for this person? You know, tell them to fuck off. Like, don't be afraid to tell somebody to fuck off. Like, you know, if they want to, if you tell a friend no, and he wants to be upset about it, he's not really a friend. You don't need him. He's not your friend. He's not no brother. He's not no brother. And that's why you don't need him. You don't need, like, it is what it is. So don't be afraid. Respect yourself. Major. That changed my life. When I start respecting myself, my life changed. Damn, my life changed. Check my ice game. I came from standing in the rain to the top floor getting brain, bro. Yeah, nigga got abs now, boy. Look at them abs, boy. Yeah.